Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ray. Thank you guys so much for watching. Lately I've been seeing a lot of half up, half down hair tutorials both on YouTube and Instagram of people using hair extensions, and I was actually wondering how it would look on my natural hair, and this is what I came up with. I try to add, like some more colors to it, hair jewelry, also the 2-strand twist on both sides. I think that's what it's called. And I feel like this hairstyle honestly screams spring, like it's colorful, like it's just a little bit different, and I'll definitely be rocking this hairstyle in the future. Like, I really like it, and I hope you guys do too. Yeah, I think that's all I have to say. So without further ado, let's get right into it.
So my curls are still in a very defined stage, and what I usually do in order for me not to mess up my curls is to shake my head a little bit and use my spray bottle just so they can be loose all over again. And in the bottle there's only water, and I added just a few drops of my Curl Max Activator by Lustrasilk. You guys have seen me do that like so many times, and this is literally what I do every single morning before laying my edges. That's it. Moving on to the hairstyle, I'm gonna section my hair, and honestly this hairstyle is very easy to do, quick as well, but when you don't have someone to help you section your hair properly or perfectly, it can take forever, and that's exactly what happened here. My sister was at school, so it was a real struggle. Anyway, so this is what it should look like, and now for the half up part, I'm going to divide my hair like so and start twisting. And I'm sorry in advance, I'm not really good at it, so don't judge me. Thank you. This part was a little bit too loose, so I decided to use a rubber band just so it can stay in place. And don't worry, I'm gonna hide it under my hair jewelry so it doesn't show. You guys will see later, you will understand later. So I'm gonna do the exact same on the other side. Next step, I'm gonna create a middle section. And this is what it should look like. Move my hair out of the way, and again divide that section into 2 parts. Twist it, but this time away from my face and not all the way. And I'm gonna secure it with a rubber band as well. At this point my arms were hurting so much, so I'm gonna do the same thing on the other part. Now for the rest of the hair, I'm going to detangle it first, then use the Ecostyler gel and spray some of my mixture. And I'm using a bristle brush, by the way, so yeah, I'm gonna use it to slick my hair. Then use a hairband to do the ponytail. You can see how frizzy the ponytail is, so I'm gonna spray more water and add just a little bit of Ecostyler gel to curl it. Now I'm gonna use this rat tail comb to lay my edges, and I feel like this is honestly the best part. It literally adds so much more life to the hairstyle. Then I'm gonna fix my half down part, shape it, add the hair jewelry, and this is it.
So yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I feel like honestly this hairstyle screams spring, you know, like it's different. The curls and then the hair jewelry, like I love it, and I hope you guys do too. Make sure that you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Subscribe, click on that notification bell so you can get notified every single time I upload a new video. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.